Hello, my name is Adrienne Bennie and I am a practice-based PhD student at the University of the Arts London and I'm based at Chelsea College of Arts. Hostile design and hostile architecture are used to deter people from specific sites within privatised areas or privatised public spaces within London. You have things like benches, where benches are designed with armrests in place to stop people from, laying down or resting for long periods of times. It can translate into the materials that are being used when designing these types of benches, and specifically the size and the width. The bus stop bench is becoming smaller and smaller and changing in shape to undulating surfaces or ledges where you can just rest as opposed to sit. And one of the most obvious, I think, is the spikes that you see on the facades of buildings or on the sides of ledges that stop people from either sitting, resting, or skating even across those ledges. These types of things are being placed in public spaces where communities like that rely on parks and squares to rest because they don't have anywhere else to go, or they choose to live a life on the street. There are different kind of complexities that come with that are not being considered when we do this type of design, and this is where there's a problem. We should be designing with people who have those lived experiences from those kind of communities instead of trying to impose design solutions on them without proper consultation. We can't co-create if we don't communicate with the people who have lived experience. There is an urgency around this issue of social design and social justice, where people with lived experiences are included in those design decisions, and that's how we then do better design, but also how we can use co-creation to make better design and to design better environments.